You look the most burnt. Weather report. It is hot and windy. The water is cold, and there are barely any waves.
And the beer's even colder?
What? What question should I ask you? Hey, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
How are your feet feeling right now?
Good. Not bad. They're just red, purplish. They'll turn tan soon.
Purplish.
Nice.
I'm serious, he saw me!
Okay, now smile. Do your big smile. She is.
Colby, what was your chore?
I did my chore
What
already.
was your chore?
Trash in the basement.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Ian's vacuuming. Abby's vacuuming. Brady's doing dishes. What was your chore?
I gotta vacuum the first floor after she's done.
Trash boy.
I'm the garbage goober.
Here. Oh. Uncle Pook. Yeah. If you could be anywhere else but here right now, where would you be?
South America snowboarding.
Okay.
Yeah.
I agree, but how does it go in? You have to push a button?
Maybe. Kind of just.
There's a little.
Dang it! It was for the content! Oh my god! Our stuff! We're gonna do a new segment on these video series. We're just gonna go around and ask people random questions throughout the day. And
Yeah?
we got our first person right now.
Your ideal beach day.
Well, hey, kind sir or woman.
No.
What's your ideal beach day?
Oh, sun and cooler weather.
Sun but cooler weather.
Yeah.
That makes sense, Mom. Good job. It's chore time.
You were first when I looked at you like that.
Let's do my job!
He gives it to Ian, he goes, she hands it to him, he goes, I'm gonna put this back.
Did you forget
Tito's.
sunscreen?
It's on my dresser, just go in my dresser.
Hey,
Tito's and cranberry. And there's ice in my...
did you vacuum?
Not yet, 'cause this
Now we can put it in.